Hi there, it's Steve here. In this video, I want to show you how to hide and show grid lines in Excel. It's really simple, and so we'll just jump right into it. If you're in your Home tab, you're going to want to go over to the View, click on the View tab, and then right here under Show, you've got your grid lines right here. And it's just a little checkbox, so you just click it, and then all of your grid lines go away. You click it again, and all your grid lines come back. Again, it's under the View tab, under the Show section. And one thing to note is if you're on your home screen, some people will sometimes look at this little section here, the borders, thinking that it's the same as the grid lines, but it's not. These grid lines that surround your cells are just visual indicators. They're not going to show up in print. They're just here in the program. If you want to actually have these grids show up somewhere, like when you print, then you would need to highlight your cell, and then you would need to go to the borders and do like an outside border. Then when you click off of it, you'll see it shows it. Well, a better example would be to go here. Go to border, you go to all borders, click off it, and now I have a black grid around that, a black border, which is different than your grid lines. And of course I can select these again, turn my borders back off, say no borders, and then we're just back to the grids. But hit View, click grid lines off, click grid lines on. That's how you can do that. So hopefully this was helpful. I know that's a quick video, but if you liked it, then click like on the YouTube channel, hit subscribe to get more videos, and if you want to be a total rock star, click on one of the links down below and you can join one of my courses. I have full courses for beginners all the way up to Excel Mastery, and it'll just take you step by step, help you improve your job prospects, help you improve your skills at work, or whatever you need to do with Excel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.